Hi guys, I'm Susan and I'm here to show you some snap jewelries. We have all kinds of bracelets, rings, and pendants and earrings, some kind of the snap jewelries for your reference. So you also can make your own snap jewelry. And we have what kind of the snap we have later. I will show you some snap button, and you also can go out our websites for reference. Okay, now we show you some. Okay, now you say there's have some snap buttons, 3 designs. Here I have the snap ring, base, and this snap bracelet, leather bracelet. So how about this one is a ring? This hole is for 12 millimeters, and this for 18 millimeters. And this bracelet has 6 colors. Have different lengths. These 2 lots about 16 inch. This one lots about 8 to 8.5 inch. Different type of and different price. Okay, this is mostly about $1.2 and US size from 7 to 9 millimeters. 7 to 9 for size. Okay. Now we introduce some snappers. First this one. And this is mixed style acrylic glass copper mini snapper price button, 12 millimeters for snapper ring ginger jewelry making. Because it is small, so this size also is small. This is another design but different pictures. Also made of mixed acrylic glass, and the picture is different. Color is also mixed color and as a resin. This is third one. This made of the butterfly and mini butterfly design snapper button. Also 12 millimeters for interchangeable snapper jewelries. Very good and pictures. Okay, now I show you how look it wear in the ring button, ring base. Okay, we use this one size is 12 for the holes, and we will use this button plies make. It is without this button, snap button, it looks simple. But with this button, it looks very stunning, charming with the rhinestones. And we also can use this one, this red color. Wow, like red gemstones, wear gemstones like also. This is a spring. We can adjust our size. Okay. Now we also can choose this one. This rings, snapper ring accessory, like this. Very good, and we can change the snap button according to our mood and our dress. Different. If you buy the 3 designs, and every day you can change new designs. That is very cheapest for us. We paid in some jewelries. Different colors, and we make different styles. Very good. This is small one. We also can use some leather bracelets. We try. Like this. Also we use this one. Make it different, right? So you can choose different colors for leather bracelets. Also you can choose this kind of designs. Which one you like? You can go to our website to purchase.